And just like that, Zippo number 2 arrived. This one is not an armor like the first one. I got this off of Amazon. And this one is the Viking warrior. Which is funny. This is not the armor, but it feels heavier than the armor rose gold carved. It's like a brushed with this logo on it. Zippo number 2. I just got fluid, so I'm going to take these things apart, make sure they're set up correctly, and then put fluid in them and start using them. Hopefully this does not become an addiction like in my knife addiction.